Imagine spending 2 months off the coast of Costa Rica, enjoying the sun and the sea, spending your time traveling around Europe for 6 months, exploring culture and adventure there. While you enjoy yourself traveling, each month, someone would bang in some money into your account, financing your living expenses. What would you call that?
Sugar mommy.
No, it's not sugar mummy. It's called passive income. And in this video, we would like to share with you 3 passive income that you can start building today, even if you have no money. Hi, welcome back to Mr. Money TV, your favorite financial edutainment network. And here we are, all about learning finance in a fun way. So, if you like that, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification to follow us for our latest video. Also, do follow us on our Facebook and Instagram for our latest activities and updates. How many of you would like to live life at your own terms? No need to go to a 9-to-5 job, no need to apply for leave, total freedom to choose how you want to live your life. If that's you, passive income will be the way to help you to achieve this lifestyle. Passive income means an income that requires little or no effort to earn. Many people think that building a passive income will need a lot of money to begin with. But here, I would like to break that myth and share with you some passive income ideas anyone can start building today, even with no money. Wherever you are and wherever you are in the world, so get ready and start your journey to build yourself some passive income. The first thing you can do is create for yourself an e-learning course. Is there anything that you're good at? Something that people have told you that you're good at doing? Whether it's cooking a dish, photography, programming, sales, or even gardening. When you are good at something, probably there's already someone who have asked you to help them or teach them to do it. The online education market is worth 8 billion in 2020 and it's estimated to grow to 33.2 billion by 2025. That is a huge market. There are 4.57 billion people who are potentially looking for something new to learn, whether in the area of business, finance, programming, arts, or even personal development. So, as long as you have something valuable to offer, someone somewhere in the world might want to learn it from you. Do you know that one of the courses listed on Udemy teaching Microsoft Excel has 169,000 people who have bought it since it was posted? Imagine if the creator just makes $6 per person. He would have made $1 million. His effort created this syllabus, structuring the course, posting it on Udemy, and probably some customer service after that. And that's all. Until today, the course is still selling like hotcakes, even right now. So that makes a good passive income, right? One-off effort, structure the syllabus, record it, post it up, and a little bit of customer service after that, and then it's sell online by itself. That makes a wonderful passive income. So ask yourself, what are you good at doing and what can you teach others? Second, build your own YouTube channel or Facebook page. Today, most of us can't run away from using social media channels such as Facebook and YouTube. Social media has so much of influence in our lives these days. Content on social media these days is so addictive that it's taking so much of our attention. Do you know that an average internet user spends 2 hours and 22 minutes on social media alone each day? If you know how to curate content that captures attention, you are onto a passive income stream. With that much of attention on social media content, brands would work with social media to advertise their product and services on the content. That's where you see advertisement breaks when you watch a YouTube video or Facebook video. And if you are the owner of the content, you get paid when the advertisement is shown. The best part, as long as your video is online and someone watches it, you get paid. But it's a one-off effort of producing the video, posting it up. After that, it's passive income all the way. Maybe you're wondering, what can you share online that people would want to watch, right? Well, start by sharing something that you're passionate about, like Graham Stephen, a financial YouTuber who shares his thoughts on personal finance on YouTube. Or maybe you have some skills that you're good at doing. For example, Li Ziqi, a lady who is skillful at making bamboo furniture, has gathered 12.9 million subscribers on YouTube just showing people how to make those furniture. Or maybe you think you have no skill at all. Well, you can even make ASMR videos like Zach Choi, who just eats online and let you listen to the sound of him eating. Well, the point is, there are 4 billion internet consumers, and there's an audience for almost any kind of content, whether it's a book review, entertainment, or whatever you can think of. As long as you can make a video, you will find an audience. Then you can monetize your video once you reach the monetization requirement. Such as for YouTube, it will be 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch time hours over the last 12 months, while for Facebook, you will need 10,000 followers, 30,000 1-minute views on the videos that are 3 minutes long in the last 60 days. How much can you make if that's the case? Well, sky's the limit. Graham Stephan, a YouTuber himself, reveals that he makes more than 100,000 USD per month just from one of his YouTube channel. That's insane, right? Guess what? Being a content creator also allows you to work from anywhere, giving you the flexibility not just in time but location as well. So now you can start making money on YouTube or Facebook. Just begin by creating content and post it up. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simply getting rewarded with commission when you refer someone to be a customer of a business. It's a simple act of connecting your audience with the products that they need. And the good thing about affiliate marketing is this: you don't need to be famous or become some high-time influencer to make money from it. Think about it. When was the last time you bought something because your friend recommended it to you? Or you watched a review about the product online? Well, today we are living in a world where all of us are bombarded by so much of information and noise online. Most people need help to organize and understand the options that are available for them to find the best suited product for themselves. If you can be a curator of that, you can make money from affiliate marketing. Put it this way, if you have ever recommended a product to your friend, you can do this. All you need to do is just recommend people online instead of directly recommend it to one of your friends. In the past, affiliate marketing was kind of reserved for the popular people or celebrity, but today anyone can do it, as long as you have a social media channel and a voice. Companies such as Involve Asia in Malaysia can help anyone to make money from affiliate marketing. Just sign up as a publisher with them and pick a product or brand that you like and promote it on your social media. And as long as someone click on it, there's a chance that you can make money from it, since you're posting on social media. So why not make some money out of it, right? And here are the 3 passive income ideas that you can start working on even without any financial investment. Create your e-learning course, build a YouTube channel, or affiliate marketing. All 3 of this, no money needed, nada. You can do it even right now, whether you're a student, whether you're working, wherever you are. Like I say, building a passive income does not need money. Yes, it'll be great if you have some money, but even if you don't have, you can still start doing something, right? These are some of the 3 options that you can consider and you can start building. So what are you waiting for? Start now. What do you think about these 3 ways of building a passive income? Or maybe you have some other ideas that you can build a passive income without investing any money. If you have any of those ideas or any of these 3 ideas that makes you feel like starting doing something, share with us in the comment below. Tell us your thoughts. We look forward to read it. See you next time.